This is Novotelly Shop iChannel. We are here at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns, North Cape Town City 1. My brother, what's your name and where do you come from?
Oh, my name is Captain Loli. I'm coming from Bushbuckridge branch.
Yeah. So you're coming all the way from Bushbuck to watch this game, or you came here because of your working around?
No, I'm not working around. I came here to watch the game.
Ah, beautiful. You are one of those loyal fans, Sundowns. While they need also to recruit more supporters at Bushbuckridge.
Yeah, we are a branch of Bushbuckridge. We are recruiting. I have you speaking with that other guy or the naval recruiting the Salva Banyan.
Yeah.
Lenamok Spananteng Brayaga and recruiter Banana. Yeah, the team is growing because Banaba known. Babona Sundowns, win a trophy, Itlala Africa. So it is gradually growing.
Yeah, that's wonderful. And then how do you feel about game here today?
Nantuegitse Cape Town City. Cape Town City is our hoodie team.
Yeah,
and this issue we are invisible.
Yeah.
I stand Brayak. Each and every team here playing against its opponents. But playing never Cape Town City. Never playing or Baba Cheka Vala is a very slow player. He doesn't have a pace.
Yeah.
Always never attacker. Channel Yagane. We are Utrapa Polo Baba Pachaya. John Hatley Brayaga. Hatley player number A appearance 44. Cape Town City, but that boy is good. Mashallah.
Let's come out.
No, we simply buy Brayaga.
I'm not saying you're lying, you're stealing. Okay. But then all the players that you buy them. Momendieta, Lodge, you know, and now there's where Bagamo, Super Sport.
But they come and perform. Lochukorilo, Mendieta will survive visa, chips like MTN 8. We see the
so you're not eliminating the competition?
No, we are not eliminating the competition because Renamo Sundowns are the competition. Next year, the FIFA Club World Cup. So look careful at Pokaling, MTN 8, NetBank. So we need a bunch of good players in order for our team to perform and win.
You had a record, to win all the games, and last game Alena, you didn't win it. So how do you feel?
No, I'm not so sad because in soccer I know that there are 3 dimensions: win, draw, lose. It can happen to any team. So,
but you are chasing a record.
Yeah, we are chasing a record. Sometimes you don't reach your goals. It's possible.
No, I understand. No, thank you very much.
Top 10.
Yeah, but never win. Never talk about the I was going
yeah, right. Punish again. Level chiefs, backline chiefs. This one of the go mall.
Yeah.
Automatically abu. Ofita atole. Heba kora ba koru. Kiki chiefs.
Next season.
But another coach. But I want to say what let's do, Brian.
No,
they're just like that, my brother.
No, thank you very much.